Fidelity Go Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Fidelity Go is Fidelity's automated robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors looking for low-cost, professionally managed portfolios. It's perfect for beginners or busy individuals who want a simple, no-fuss investing experience. With no advisory fees for accounts under $25,000 and a flat 0.35% fee for higher balances, it's cost-effective compared to many competitors. The platform uses Fidelity Flex mutual funds, meaning no expense ratios, keeping costs transparent. You can start investing with just $10, and Fidelity Go automatically rebalances your portfolio based on your risk tolerance. However, it lacks tax loss harvesting, a key feature offered by rivals like Betterment and Wealthfront. While the platform is beginner-friendly, it's not the best choice for active investors or those seeking customizable portfolios, as you have little control over asset allocation. Customer support is solid, with access to Fidelity's robust financial tools, but there's no human advisor guidance unless you upgrade to higher-tier services. Overall, Fidelity Go is an excellent choice for passive investors who want a trusted, low-cost robo-advisor backed by one of the biggest names in finance. However, if tax optimization or customization is a priority, you may want to look elsewhere.